How to fix Facebook gaming live stream login. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. Then after this, what you should do, you have to open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open the Facebook like this. Now you have to scroll down and click on storage. On storage, now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click also OK. And now what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to this option here, set as a default, and make sure that this option here is allowed, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.